Hi, this is Evan Roush with Gym City Ford, Lincoln in Quincy, Illinois. Here behind me I have this beautiful 2022 Lincoln Aviator, and we're getting ready to do a walk around on it. Here we go. Again, this is the 2022 Lincoln Aviator Reserve. It's got just under 40,000 miles. It's got brand new tires all the way around it. It does have the dynamic handling package with the air glide suspension, where your suspension will raise and lower. It's got 4 brand new tires all the way around it. I am not noticing any exterior flaws on the vehicle. Did notice this is just a little bit of paint touch-up work that was done. Other than that, this car is flawless, looks amazing. Take a look at the back seat here. You have the power folding seats. Take a look at the second row here. You do have this shade. This is very convenient on both sides. The roast interior. Do you have all-weather mats, second and first row. Plenty of room for the third row. Some cup holders, heated rear seats, climate controls, multiple different outlets. Twin panel moonroof. Underneath the hood, you have a 3.0 liter V6 twin turbocharged engine. Take a look at the driver's seat. 30-way multi-contour seating with massaging seats, along with thigh extender seats there. Upgraded Revell stereo system. It's got like 26 speakers. Again, you got the all-weather floor mats. Telescopic steering wheel with press button, up, down, in, and out. Taking a look inside here, got your cruise control buttons, your adaptive cruise control, lane centering. Does have heads-up display. You can see it there. Just under 40,000 miles. Got a bird's eye view, backup camera, and a front-facing camera. Heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, massaging seats. It does have phone as a key as well. Alright guys, just wrapped up this walk around on this 2022 Lincoln Aviator. Fantastic vehicle. You could put it up against any new Aviator. Very clean, a lot of different options on it. You got the dynamic handling package. I love that feature. The suspension raises and lowers, making it easier getting out of your vehicle. You got the Lincoln welcome mat where it welcomes you to your vehicle when you're walking up to it. Again, you do have phone as a key that you can put in your Lincoln Way app. But we do have a fantastic price on this vehicle. We're almost $8,000 underneath the retail book value. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll put some detailed notes down below. If you like my videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and thank you very much.